So hello friends, myself Home and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Home. Today I will tell you the specifications of Moto G 5G. The confirmed specifications of Moto G 5G are Snapdragon 765, 5000 mAh battery, 48 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 6.7 inches Full HD Plus display, 20 watt fast charging. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Moto G 5G. The Moto G 5G will come in 3 storage variants: 4GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. There are 4 color variants of Moto G 5G: blue color, black color, white color and grey color. This is the front side of Moto G 5G. This is the back side of Moto G 5G. The expected launch date of Moto G 5G will be the end of the November. In my opinion, the expected price of Moto G 5G should be below 25,000.
This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.